everyone, it is Mona here at Craft Klatch, and today is Friday. That means it's another Coaster Friday. Today we're going to use some temporary tattoos and do turtle coasters. For the background of the turtle coasters, I'm going to use the fast curing resin that cures white, but I'm going to add some pigment powder to it, and I'm going to make a bunch of them. I found these temporary tattoos of these turtles online, and remember, you can always find the written directions and materials list over on my website, craftklatch.com. So I'm going to prepare the resin, and all I need is 1 ounce for the base of each of these. So 1 ounce, 1 ounce, 1 ounce. And I'm going to do it one at a time because it goes very quickly. And I'm going to add the purple pigment powder. And you want to do this all pretty darn quick. I'm going to put quite a bit in there because remember, it cures white, so this will come in as a pastel. And then pour it right into the mold. I will let that cure, and I will do other colors as well. These have cured, and now we can take it out. So you want them down on a flat surface because these haven't completely cured yet, but we can move forward with our tattoos. So I'm going to pick some that might work. Then I'm going to cut around like this green one. I'm going to cut this green one out. I'm going to use this on the purple. I'm going to want one going the other direction. And I think this one might be good, this orange one. And then we'll add a couple of little ones as well. I think I'm going to go with this one first. I'm going to take that plastic protective coating off. Put it down, and then I'm going to just wet the back. And then start to peel it back and make sure that it's on there. And it is. There's our first turtle. And I'll put the little one here. And there's that little one. So there's that one. We're going to set that one aside while we do the other ones. I've prepared my resin. Now I'm just going to drip a clear coat over these coasters. And you want to go slow and let it kind of spread out. You can always come back to it. Once you got them all covered, you're just going to take your lighter, pop the bubbles, and then you want them to sit undisturbed for 12 hours. Here are the coasters all finished. Here is the pink one. We've got the green one, the blue one, and the purple. Now here's something that happened, and I have the back of this one is rough. Here's a little resin tip. I was bending forward, and the string from my hood fell into the resin, and it kind of made it overflow a little bit. So then when I moved it to get it out of the puddle of the resin, I got stuff on the back. So that's why it's rough on the back of this one. And that was just because I was not being careful. Because I wanted to make a larger set, I have 4 more. I just haven't put the final coats on these, and I went a little bit lighter, some more pastel colors, and I put more turtles on it just to give it a different look. Thank you guys so much for watching the turtle coasters. I hope you like them, and I hope you give them a try. I will definitely see you next time. Remember, life is too short not to shimmer, so grab your glue gun and your glitter. Stay safe. Bye, guys.